This food truck exhaust explainer is for food service and kitchen equipment OEMs. It maps a commercial cooking ventilation and fire protection system, not a domestic range hood, generic blower advertisement, approved vehicle plan, or universal airflow recipe. Begin with jurisdiction and the actual cooking process. The adopted rules, authority, vehicle, venue, menu, appliances, fuel, and operating duty determine whether grease or smoke requires a Type 1 system or another hood duty. A menu name or truck size cannot classify the hood. Trace the complete system: capture hood, grease filters, plenum, grease duct, exhaust fan, safe termination, replacement air, controls, and fire suppression. Generator and engine exhaust, combustion air, fuel gas, carbon monoxide, vehicle structure, and food sanitation require separate coordinated reviews. Set airflow from the approved hood capture and containment basis, then calculate real system resistance. Include filters, plenum, duct length and diameter, fittings, transitions, cleanouts, termination, guards, installation effects, air density, and expected grease fouling. Free air CFM or motor power alone is not selection evidence. Balance exhaust and makeup air across the moving vehicle envelope. Replacement air location, direction, and velocity must support capture without blowing contaminants out of the hood. Review service windows, doors, leakage, combustion air, customer queues, neighboring vehicles, and changing wind. Verify the exact fan and grease exhaust configuration. Accepted listing, construction, motor arrangement, weather exposure, grease drainage, cleaning access, clearances, electrical supply, restraint, and discharge orientation all matter. A generic high-pressure centrifugal blower is not automatically suitable. Document the cause and effect sequence before release. Cooking requires the exhaust system to operate as required. Interlocks, automatic and manual activation, suppression actuation, appliance fuel or electric shutdown, alarms, indication, reset, and emergency response must work together. Ventilation does not extinguish a grease fire. Review every discharge path. Cooking exhaust must not re-enter doors, windows, service openings, or air intakes, or impinge on people and combustibles. Generator and engine exhaust are separate carbon monoxide hazards. An operating cooking hood does not prove control of those sources. Design grease management and service access into the truck. Filters, drains, reservoirs, duct cleanouts, hinged fan access, suppression nozzles, inspection points, removable panels, sanitation protection, service clearance, and documented cleaning intervals are fire safety inputs, not cosmetic details. A mobile installation must remain safe after transport. Check roof and frame loads, penetrations, fan restraints, vibration, rain, wind, wiring movement, drainage, transport position, total vehicle height, low clearance routes, and maintenance access. A stationary building detail cannot simply be scaled onto a truck. Commission the complete operating system with the approved procedure. Measure exhaust and makeup airflow, confirm fan direction and controls, and test capture and containment with appliances and relevant air systems at operating conditions. Tissue tricks, idle smoke, nameplate CFM, live grease fire, or suppression discharge are not acceptance tests. Release procurement only with a traceable record, adopted rules in AHJ, approved vehicle and drawings, appliance and hood duty, grease duct layout, exact fan evidence, system curve, makeup air balance, discharge review, suppression and shutdown sequence, CO and fuel review, cleaning plan, measured commissioning, owner permission, and permits.